Okay, Friday, September the 4th, 2020. The waterproofing contractors finished up earlier today installing the waterproofing system around this footing. And just so you understand that the materials that were used were made by Tremco, a material called Tough and Dry, and then another material called Warm and Dry was applied to these walls. The Tough and Dry material is basically the liquid application, looks very similar to that of asphalt. It is actually a water-based material that is a better product to put on the wall, as we were told by the installer that in regards to an oil-based derivative such as what you normally would see in asphalt, this material does not crack over time. So that, in combination with the rock wool, basically is what is called, or mineral wool. This is an insulation material. It's about an inch thick. It's rated at an R5, and it's basically stuck to the asphalt along the wall path. I'm going to take a walk around front and I'll show you a little bit more of this. By the way, down at the bottom here is the drain skirt that goes along the pathway at the footing level, and is basically going to be part of the drainage system once all of this is backfilled. The next phase of this, by the way, is to dump stone down in here, but the contractor was supposed to get a roll of that silt screen to go down at the base of this wall. And again, it's going to be laying in the dirt, and then we're going to cover that with stone and roll it up like a burrito, is what he called it. It's going to go all the way around the side of this wall, and the stone itself is going to come up the wall about 1.5 to 2 feet. And then from that point, this cavity here in the ground is going to be backfilled, tamped, and basically resurfaced over and regraded. Fortunately for us, most of this soil here is clay with some sand deposits and very few rock, or at least the rock we pulled out of here wasn't big enough to be of any concern. And I think it's going to make for a very solid foundation and base for this house to be stable through the course of the years that this will be existing. So as I'm saying here now, this being the most important part of the foundation, that this right here is a good start for us. Until next time.